Most drivers don't even realize their car has this, yet it's been proven to save lives. In fact, skipping over this single feature could be the difference between walking away from an accident or not. Today, I'm exposing the one overlooked car feature that quietly protects you and your family every single time you drive. Think about it. We all pay attention to airbags, seatbelts, and brakes. But this feature doesn't get the spotlight. And because it works silently in the background, most people don't even know it's there. Automakers designed it as a hidden safeguard, and it's been saving thousands of lives every year. The feature is Electronic Stability Control, also known as ESC. It works like this. When your car senses it's losing traction or about to spin out of control, maybe on a slippery road or during a sudden swerve, ESC automatically adjusts braking on individual wheels and reduces engine power to keep your car stable. According to studies by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, ESC reduces the risk of fatal single-vehicle crashes by nearly 50%. Yet, many drivers don't even realize their car has it. Or worse, they don't know when it's turned off. A lot of people mistakenly disable this feature thinking it slows their car down, especially in snow or mud. But here's the truth. Unless you're in a very specific off-road situation, turning ESC off puts you and your passengers at way higher risk. So here's what you should do. Check your dashboard for the little car icon with wavy lines. That's the ESC light. Make sure it's on every time you drive. If the warning light stays lit, don't ignore it. Get it inspected right away. That tiny symbol could be the difference between a close call and a tragedy. So the next time you start your car, don't just glance past that little icon. Remember, this one overlooked feature could be the silent guardian that saves your life. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more car safety and maintenance tips, and share this with someone you care about, because this simple reminder might just save their life too.